everybody, welcome back to Beth Unboxes. I'm Beth and this is my sister Krista.
Hi.
And we have a first in a while for you guys. We got a P.LOUISE Mystery Box.
Doesn't look like it, but it is.
This is how it came. This is the $50 box. They have, I think, a $30 box and a $50 box. And this is from the US website. They have Last Chance and other mystery boxes on the UK website, but you will pay extra duties and tariffs if you order that from them. I think this is supposed to have $116 minimum value of what's inside of it for our $50. And I had some points built up, so I was like, hey, let's use our points and buy a mystery box. Of course, it didn't cover the whole cost, but it helped. So that's one thing about P.LOUISE. When you make purchases, even your monthly subscription, it accumulates points on your account, and you can cash those points in for discounts and values on your other stuff. So this literally is how Krista opened it thinking it would come in a box.
But it didn't.
Usually it's going to come in a P.LOUISE box.
But there's a bunch of
So this is our box. So this is different than we've ever gotten anything from P.LOUISE ever. We've never placed any kind of order with P.LOUISE that we didn't get a P.LOUISE box of some kind.
This is hard to show you because of it.
But it looks like good stuff. For $50 we got
a lot
6
of stuff.
things.
Wow.
6 things? Yeah, 6 things.
Yeah.
We'll start with our little things and work our way up to what might be a really good thing. So we'll start
that.
So this is one of the, this is a lip base, right?
Yeah, that's a
This
nice
is
color.
yeah, I'm not sure we have that color. This is called Bad Intentions. It's kind of a burgundy brown. Taupey brown. And I'm not going to open it because if we do have this color, I'll probably not be the one that uses this one. But it says it's a lip base, but you can use it just as a lipstick.
Yeah.
So that is a very, and there's a ton of product in these.
They are. They're good.
You want to do the next one?
So P.LOUISE Skin. I bet this is a...
This is a lip sleeping mask. Looks like kind of cups on it. So maybe that's hot chocolate.
Ooh, that'd be fun.
It's sealed up and we have several of these, so we are going to leave it sealed until it's used.
But hey,
that's a nice one. So now there's a 2 out of 6. So the next thing, so I did have to go get my glasses. If you are over 50 and don't need glasses in some respect, good for you. Okay, so this is a moisture serum. So this says this is a long-lasting moisture. It has Z's on it, so maybe it's an overnight night mask. And it says do not disturb. So I'm thinking this is an overnight one. It just says a moisture serum, and it's also sealed, and we have lots of these kind of things, so we're going to leave that one sealed. But another skincare product, and these are not cheap ones. These are
good value.
I'll have to check and see what the actual value is at the end.
Yes.
And I'll put a little corner post, but very cool so far.
And this, when I saw this product, I was ecstatic because I was hoping it was the body wash. And it is the body foam.
And our favorite smell.
Which
mixed fruit.
Ooh, mixed fruit. Because we love the shampoo and conditioner. And I was wanting the body wash so much. And to get
and it's a foam.
And it's a, oh, I am so excited. I don't have to try to share it.
Yeah, she's going to have to share it.
Give it to Beth when I get through with it.
When we get just one thing, she uses half of it and then I get the last half of it. So I'll get to try it.
So, but I am so excited. I've been wanting to try this.
And this is, I mean, you know how many P.LOUISE products we get, but we have not gotten this one yet. So.
And we're so excited.
Very cool. All right, so this is the Bad Bee Energy Juice, and this one is Once Upon a Lime. So this is the lime. We actually have the lime one.
Oh, we did, didn't we?
And this comes with a lip oil and a lip conditioner, and I will put pictures up. But another thing, I'm just going to leave sealed
because we have quite a few open actually.
A row of boxes of these in the place in our closet we keep stuff in. So just leaving it sealed helps me remember it's not been used yet, and I can do what I need to do with it.
Exactly.
But it'll store better that way. So the last thing, we actually got a palette, you guys.
Exactly. Would be P.LOUISE without a palette.
Sometimes the mystery boxes, you know, I looked at the Last Chance ones on the UK site, and it gives you a list of the things that they're going to pick from, and there were no palettes that I remember seeing.
And it looks like a cassette tape, and it says "Lady in Charge."
And we have not got this one.
And we don't have this one.
And we've got a dozen or more palettes of P.LOUISE.
Lots of palettes.
But
I love them all.
We don't have this one. I can't wait to see the colors in this one. Okay, so this one says...
It looks like the cassette tapes.
How cute is that?
For those of you who are old enough to remember cassette tapes, that's adorable.
That is cute.
Gold gilding all around.
I love it. Okay, let's see what the colors are.
Ooh, look at these.
Is it only eyeshadow? Oh, those are pretty. This is a very mauvey. This is a very Krista palette.
There's a lot of mauves on this row, and just pinky, mauvey, purpley, brownish colors. I love this whole row. I like this row because it'll be great for just
brow
adding
lights
some nice natural look. Just
You
in
could
light
even use some of
colors.
these shimmers for highlighters.
Yeah,
if you wanted.
exactly. Like this palette. Oh,
And really, some of these blushes, these colors would make good blushes too.
Yeah.
But look at the
I love this
there's
palette.
imprints on the colors. I've got it upside down because of the mirror, but that is super cute.
Oh, I loved this mystery box. This is amazing. I mean, we got some products that we didn't have yet, and other products we have tried and do love. So this was a win-win.
Yeah.
Excellent value.
The last time we were getting mystery boxes kind of regularly, and they were shipping from the UK, that was before all the hullabaloo. We got two almost the same ones, even a month or two apart. And this one is so different. I'm very excited to even buy another one of these sometime.
And I'm just thrilled to get to try this because we had our first Christmas advent calendar had a body wash in it of some sort, and I loved it. And she got to try it. She loved it. So to get the foam one, oh, and look at all the pretty colors. So
this is what we got in our $50 mystery box from P.LOUISE
for all this
now.
stuff.
The shipping is what, like $6? $6 or so on the shipping
like that.
Now, if you order enough, I think like $80 worth, you don't pay shipping, but we didn't on this one. But check out if you want to. If you don't want to do the mystery box or the monthly box, but you are, or you even do, we get the monthly box as well. You just want to see maybe another fun surprise grab bag situation. This was excellent. 6 really good products for $50, under $10 per item at that rate.
Yes.
So check it out. Let us know in the comments. Are you getting the P.LOUISE mystery boxes at all? How does this compare with what you're getting? We haven't gotten a mystery box in probably well over a year, maybe even closer to 2 years.
No, we did get some last year.
Did we?
Like one.
Maybe I think we got like a $20 one last year, maybe. Yeah. But it's been a really long time. I don't even remember how long ago. So let us know your thoughts. What do you like about this? Would you buy this box for $50 if you knew what was in it? I think I would. If I knew everything that was in this box for $50, I would probably do that. So if you did enjoy this video, we'd love for you to hit like, hit subscribe if you haven't yet, turn on notifications if you don't want to miss out on future uploads. But for now, we hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Bye. Bye.